In this video, I'll be talking about two projects, PIXELSQUID and RACEFI. RACEFI is about metaverse and car racing, gaming and metaverse, and then PIXELSQUID is about metaverse as well, with gaming, DeFi and NFT. I'm going to show you how to join the IDOs. It's very simple, and also prepare for PancakeSwap listing. This is Danny Legend and you're welcome to Crypto Wealthy. PIXELSQUID is about metaverse projects, GameFi, DeFi, and NFT. And if you've watched the Squid Game series, you recognize these people, these bad guys in the movie, the Circle Man, Triangle Man, the Square Man, who were working for the main bad guy. And these are main characters in the movie. And ever since the series was released, there have been a lot of projects or tokens that have patterned after the Squid Game. It's going to be 1 billion total supply, 16 for IDO, 8% liquidity, 2% to seed, play to earn 27, and then we have the others also here. Team takes 10% and it's locked for 1 year. Liquidity is locked for 1 year. We also see their roadmap from phase 1, 2, 3 to the final phase, which is the NFT wallet app and movies and cartoons and more partnerships. It's also backed by Binance Chain, Solid Proof. In other words, they are working with these companies, Midas Capital, Profound and Eurodisio. Currently, they have their whitelist opened and it's going to close in 3 days. So you see 3 days left. And I'm going to leave this link in the description if you want to join PIXELSQUID. PIXELSQUID is going to be held on the astronaut.to platform. I'm going to show you. It's very simple. I can say Astronaut is one of the launch pads that makes joining IDOs very simple and it's very easy. It's not as complex as others that require so much capital. Yeah, so it's moderate and everyone can join once you have enough cash. And as always, I say if you don't have enough cash, you can always join on PancakeSwap. But you'll be at more advantage if you can join the IDO. The Astronaut is going to launch PIXELSQUID on 28th November at 3 p.m. UTC. And this is the countdown. When we check here, we see it's 3 days, 22 hours more. And the amount they're raising, that is initial market cap 352K. The maximum contribution is $500 and there's no minimum contribution per wallet. Also, the price is 0.002 BUSD. It's going to be in BUSD and not BNB. So make sure you are stacking up some BUSD. And for vesting, that is those who join the IDO, you would have 34% of your tokens. You can withdraw 34% at token generation event. And after that, 33% monthly. So within a space of about just 3 months, you should have withdrawn everything. That is if you want to. So there are 10 ways to enter the whitelist, and by performing these actions here, you get these points. And when you attempt to join the whitelist and you attempt to fill them, there are 100 whitelist spots available, and all whitelist winners can contribute from 3 p.m. UTC to 3:30 p.m. UTC, and this is guaranteed allocation. So once you are picked for the whitelist, you have guaranteed allocation. This is the Astronaut website, and when you come to the Astro Pools, you realize that it has hosted a lot of great projects. We have Cake Tools, which was mooning. I introduced this to the VIP membership, Phantonomics, FG Metaverse, Arrow Slayers, even Heron Asia that I also spoke about on my platform. And then also they hosted Lemon, which is a job searching platform on the Binance Smart Chain. So it has hosted a lot of great projects. Even Harmony Pad was also hosted, Rigfoot and many others. Currently at the AstroShot page, this is where the IDO is going to happen. And a few hours before the time, you would see that they would add PIXELSQUID. For now, it's just Torico. Now you would see the PIXELSQUID project, and then what you do is that you connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet and you select the PIXELSQUID pool, and then you see starting soon or paused. You wait for your round to start and then you refresh the page. There are going to be 3 rounds. The first round is for whitelisters. That's 3 p.m. UTC to 3:30 p.m. UTC on November 28th, and only whitelist winners can contribute, and this is guaranteed allocation I mentioned early on. And the second round is for AstroShot, which is 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. UTC. And for that one, for the second round, anyone who holds 1,000 plus NOT tokens in their wallet can contribute, and it's all going to be first come, first serve. For the third round will be the Astro Rocket, which is from 4 p.m. UTC to 5 p.m. UTC. The third round will only happen if the hard cap does not fill in the second round. And so the remaining tokens will be put on public sale, which will be first come, first serve. So you don't even require any NOT tokens. It's first come, first serve. Claiming your tokens will be open on this same page where you contributed your BUSD at listing time. And for PancakeSwap listing, it's going to be listed on PancakeSwap after the IDO ends. For Twitter, they have 13.8k followers, and then for Telegram, 11.4k. The second is RACEFI, and RACEFI also has to do with racing in the metaverse. The whitelist is also open, and this is going to be on SoulRaiser. And recently, when I spoke about the SoulRaiser project, I spoke about the fact that you need the Phantom wallet, which you can add to your Google Chrome by simply clicking this button. After creating your wallet with Phantom, you should have it at the top. Then you can enter your password and enter your wallet. And there you have it. RACEFI is coming up with the airdrop event and also the whitelist itself. And for the airdrop, they're going to have airdrop of 500 lucky winners in the RACEFI community. That is 20,000 RACEFI tokens. And what you have to do is to complete the task and refer friends to get a chance to become one of the 500 lucky winners. It spans from 23rd November to 28th November, 2 p.m. UTC for both dates. The whitelist registration will close 2 days from now at the time of recording this video, which will be 26th November, 2 p.m. UTC. There are 17 ways to enter the whitelist, and that is by doing all these tasks. They also have a Discord channel where you can follow, you can join. And then for Twitter, they have 24.1k followers. On Telegram, 19.5k. Here we see the team behind RACEFI project. So what we do first is to get to the soulraiser.com /project/RACEFI and connect our Phantom wallet, since I have it here at the top. And if you try to connect and it doesn't work, even though your Phantom is at the top, then what you need to do is to refresh the page. After refreshing, we can connect Phantom wallet, and now it opens up. So I'm going to connect this, and then this should pop up. I can either join the open community pool or the Solar community pool. And they said this is open for everyone who staked Solar, and this is open for any user who holds a balance of 4 Solar. For open community pool, it says I have 31 Solar, so I can join, and then I'll perform my social media tasks, and I'm good. And it says you do not have any tickets, stake here to get new tickets. And to stake Solar, that is going to bring you here, and then you are going to choose how much you want to stake. It depends on the allocation that you want to be a part of. So you can go with maybe 50,000 once you can afford it, and then maybe you'd stake for 8 weeks and you receive 8 lottery tickets. Your tier will be Oak, but usually with Mighty Oak, it comes with guaranteed allocation. The rest are lotteries. Your tokens will be logged until 19th January 2022. So that is it for the 2 projects, PIXELSQUID and then RACEFI. Do drop a like on this video and also subscribe to the channel for more content. Danny Legend here. Thanks for watching. Bye.